Hi viewers, today we have this 2-speed 36-inch Emerson from JCPenney. Picked it up from someone on Craigslist, new in box. And here it is. I will say one thing, it is shiny as heck. It has plastic blades. Everything out of the box is very well balanced. Let's go up here and look at the label. It's coming off because of the age. JCPenney sticker. It's over something that's already on the fan, so I'm guessing there's like another thing that's already underneath there. Probably the original tag for it before it was relabeled. Either way, this fan's already been sold. That's my battery alert. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start off on low. So high, low. Fan comes out everything. Since it was obviously new in box. Nothing's missing. Anything actually comes with some extra screws that I don't know what they go to. I'm guessing people like it on it. So there's the low speed on it. Let's go ahead and do high. Sure does fly on high. Runs silent, moves good air. The flywheel on this one is the stepped flywheel, by the way. It does run good though. And it has a heavy light kit wire in it. Oh, yeah. My bad, I need to wake up. Top of my finger hit the blades a little bit, sorry. Either way, let's go ahead and do spin down. It's a very dark brown. The thing is sun bleach or anything like that because new in box, obviously. I must say I'm kind of impressed. I've never seen an old fan this shiny. I mean, there's probably some fingerprints out for me handling it and getting it up there, but besides that, new in box, everything came in plastic. It actually includes the instruction book. I'll go over that after this thing spins down. Give everyone a little look at that. Pretty decent van. This is the pull chain that came with it. It's a long pull chain. It was already attached to the fan right out of the box. And once again, these are the plastic fake wood grain blades. Another pretty good spin down for ripping out of the box, being stiff and whatnot. I let it run for a little bit, so that might have something to do with it. And there we go. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at these instructions. I think I put them here. They are. That's a pop right? Here's our instruction booklet. It has some discoloration. I'm trying to remember if it actually tells me if it's a Casablanca one or Emerson. I'm guessing this is an Emerson. Oh yeah, it's reversing switch stuff. But besides that, that's it. Thanks for watching.